Multicolored 3D prints. The fabled legend that only the rich can afford. But in actual fact, it can be done on a single extruder with some tricks. All shall be revealed in this guide.
Before we begin, let's do some changes to the printer settings. Go to the Multi-Material tab. Make sure that the Single Extruder, Multi-Material, and Manual Filament change options are checked. Next, under the G-Code tab, change filament. Set it to M600, which should be supported in most modern Marlin and Clipper machines. Otherwise, you can also try pause for the older machines. With that, we can now add multiple filaments in projects. Also, set their colors. The first method is one of the most common ways to do multicolor prints. For this example, we have a 1.5 mm piece. The bottom 1 mm is the base plate, and the top 0.5 mm are shapes. In the slicer, we will set 2 filaments and a layer height of 0.25 mm. This will result in a print with 6 layers. The first 4 are the base. The last 2 are the shapes. To print the shapes in a different color, set a manual filament change at the start of the 5th layer and slice again. Print as usual, it will pause at layer 5. Manually swap the filament. Extrude, and resume print. This second method does not require filament changes. The idea is simple. Print the individual colored parts separately. Then, join them together. For the last method, design your multicolored project as usual. Set the colors in the slicer. Then, print as usual. Manually purge and extrude for each filament change. you will have to monitor the entire print process. That covers the common ways to do multicolor prints with a single extruder. Hope it has been useful. Like and subscribe for more.